Calico Ghost Town is located in Southern California near the 15 freeway, just east of Barstow. And a friend of mine invited us out to basically go off-roading with them. We have a side-by-side. Most of his buddies had Jeeps and stuff. But we went, my son and I, we camped. We stayed at the Calico Ghost Town campground, which was pretty cool, with full hookups. We checked out what was at the ghost town, and we went on some rides down some trails around the ghost town. So this is a video of all of that stuff, some of which is going to be in the form of pictures, because I didn't really plan on making a video and posting it on YouTube, but here we are. Figured I would just go ahead and throw it out there, see how it does. This was back in April, earlier this year, 2025. I hope you enjoy it.
There's gold in them there hills. Should have brought a flashlight. Oh, it just ends right here.
You moved awfully fast on that one. Thank God. I just noticed you could have double jumped me and gotten a king.
I forgot you could jump in this game.
Yeah.
I forgot that I could jump in this game.
Oh, you thought it's just like defense? Well, oh, if I do that. Oh! Can't do that. So at Calico Ghost Town, they have a ghost tour we did, my son and I, and our friend Dale. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to record any of it, but we were allowed to take pictures just in case we captured any ghosts. So I'll throw the pictures here in the video.
Dude, Dylan. You are awesome, dude.
Oh, got it.
How was that, Amanda?
That's okay. It's more mine is an automatic.
Right.
So
this?
So somebody brought snacks.
Mm-hmm.
Does this go back farther? Go in there. Just watch your head.
There's a cloth right there.
A clock?
Cloth.
Cloth? Oh.
I think it's like a microfiber cloth.
Let's go check out the big caves.
I don't know what they're talking about. This goes pretty deep.
Does it really? Okay. Whoa, this does go deep.
Yeah. Natural style beef jerky. Teriyaki.
Oh, I see. Dead ends though.
Yeah. It's still pretty deep.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is freaking wild.
It's over.
Did you already go down there?
No.
I'm gonna go down there real quick. It's an old spoon. I think those caves up there are the ones that you can walk through. Come out the other side or something.
There's a part. Remember last time? Yeah, you remember last time we went through that cave?
Yeah.
It was like this big chasm.
Yeah.
And you went back up and you're at the top.
Yep.
I found that. And then I also found how you get in the big chasm.
How?
It's like just the ride of it, basically.
Oh. Shining light down there. Oh, it looks like it goes back pretty far.
I think it ends up right there.
Oh, okay.
That one that we went in, that you saw us go in,
Yeah.
has a really pretty view down.
Yeah,
Did you go in that one?
yeah.
Okay. Like if you didn't, you need to. Look at this. It'd be nice if it was like, you know, real Indian Mayan drawings instead of crap.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow. I think there's some over in one of the other washes that we did last time, and they were just going on. And you go out of this room, you go to this room. Oh, it's so neat. It's that thing. Or that trash. Can we come this way? Good boy. See right there. Because we were at the Anza Borrego and people were sitting there sorting graffiti on the cliff walls. And I'm like, are you serious right now? The park ranger was sitting there taking photos because that's to me another reason why the state could shut it down because people are destroying it. And I'm like, oh,
What? The luxury suite? To sleep in?
I think I could.
Well, we can, but it's kind of dangerous.
Any gold?
No,
Dang it.
but there's other footprints here.
Watch your head. Maybe there's gold up there in that little crevice.
Rocks. This rock is able to move. Probably rat shit.
Yeah, probably.
It's most likely because there's rat shit right there.
Ugh. You gonna be able to get down?
I live here forever.
Yeah.
Good thing I'm wearing tan pants.
Yeah, blending in with all the dirt.
Oh, you could tell her you found them.
I know.
I still don't have to know. I'm gonna.
That's all cold, dude. Alright.
Big guys don't bend down that way. That would be me.
Oh no, over here I saw a roof. I saw a hole, dude.
It's a vent.
Oh, those are tiny one.
Cash, you want to sit up here?
Oh, sure.
You'd be like Disneyland when the people walk by, you look at them, the ghosts.
Look at the holes back there.
Ooh, ah.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, look up. How am I gonna get down?
Jump on your mom's back when she goes by, scare her.
I know, no. Somebody help.
Dynamite. No, I'm just kidding.
Who wants to jump on you?
Hey, Boogie. Come on in there, mister. Alright, that cave is my speed. That was super cool.
I want to do it, Ruby.
Well, take a picture on the
I
up
want to
there.
do it.
Oh,
with,
well, the king chair? We're like, you
you
guys go
I was
first.
up there for it.
You get up the hill with him.
Take them up for you? Can I help you? Yeah, I can do it.
Where's it go?
There you go.
Big open space.
Hold that too?
Here we go. We're going, hon.
Oh, you're good. You got this.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Pretty awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's super cool. It's just amazing how much hard
You guys play.
Can you imagine? This is a lot of work.
And that was like horse and buggy days.
Yeah. Yeah,
Crazy.
you gotta use donkeys to haul stuff. And, yeah, screw that.
You wanna go this way? This way? Yeah? We'll go back out this way. Let's just go back. If he's so refusing. I'm not going up those rocks.
Oh, no.
Oh, they hurt my little tootsies.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come on, let's follow Jess. Follow Jess.
I saw this camera.
You saw this cave earlier?
Yeah.
The mules too that they had to use, they're constantly, their hooves are gonna be,
Yeah.
constantly chipping, especially if they use
And I can't even imagine. That's a hell of a lifestyle.
So when we went to Death Valley, we went up to a mine up there, and it was a 20 mule team. And I know they had them everywhere, but anyway, when I was just reading up on it, it was they said the 20 is 100 and it was 110 feet long. All they had 2 trailers and all the mules.
Wow.
Oh, to be the captain of that little buggy.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're like,
Dude.
yeah, and you climbing over rocks like this to get out. It was
Yeah. God, I can't even imagine.
I know. I think they did hire some Chinese guys that, when
Yes.
they figured out how they wanted to go through there, they just hired them to clean all the rocks from the road, place them.
I think in town in Calico, it said something like there was 20 of them. There was
20 mule teams?
no 20 Chinese.
Oh,
Yeah, you ride the train. It gives you like a little tour, or it tells you a bunch of stuff. You know, can't hear it all, but heard some of
a little
it.
bit that you can hear.
Yeah,
gives good
yeah.
information.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. Yeah, and we went to the restaurant. You could see those wagons you're talking about with all the mules, like a big old long. Yeah. It's
I
wild.
was proud. I was like, holy smokes. Because this, so probably 110 feet is probably to that rock past Shane. Can you imagine sitting back here? And if you had to go around a corner, like,
Yeah,
what's going
yeah.
on? What's going on with my team?
Dude.
Hard to breathe.
Say that again.
We were in a whole different area, like over here.
The wind is fast.
We just were.
It's hard to breathe.
Oh.
I've been looking.
the back
Hey, what's your
room.
name, Johnny?
Without
So
the
our parents
age.
are in the back room. We're all in the front room sleeping. We wake up in the morning, and my dad's like, "Where are my pants at?"
Well,
looking
fuck,
around.
I hope they're on your ass, but
They were
apparently they're
outside.
not.
Somebody broke in the house in the middle of the night, went through the house in the bedroom, took his pants, well, grabbed his pants from the floor, went out because his wallet was still in his pants. Went outside and stole his wallet. Remember that?
Oh, absolutely. They broke in, came in, took his money, and then came out. No, we were in Mexico, Ensenada. We had a place in
We're in the-
Ensenada, and we were all in the front room, but they came in the back door. But anyway, that's what happened, and I don't know how much he didn't. He lost a couple $100, but that's
The
where
next
that's
night-
where we got the seafood.
Did they like
That's
break
how.
a window? They broke in?
No, they broke through the back door. They just
We
kind
may
of.
not have even locked it.
Well, it's a mobile home, so a mobile home's like aluminum, you know.
Yeah.
He had a key, like Pedro. He was the landscaper. He just come in. Anyway,
Back when gas was $0.25 a gallon down there. It was 25 cents a gallon down
we
there.
had. You guys never did go to Mexico?
No.
We're scared of it.
I was
Oh my
fucking
gosh.
poor, dude.
It was Husong's Cantina down there.
We were so poor.
Me and her.
Yeah, I mean, I
me and
just mean your
her
parents.
did,
Yeah.
But yeah, we were poor.
Oh, maybe my dad was just insane.
But no, me and her.
Maybe he was just
Hey, me and her got braces down in Mexico.
really.
California and Mexico, we did both.